Guys, yeah, I'm going to get my eyebrows done at this new place for the first time. And I'm a little nervous about it, but I gotta give it a chance and see how it goes. Here it goes, threading. So I did my eyebrows. I gotta tell y'all what I just experienced while I was in there. It's very deep and spiritual. And if you're not on that wave, then you're not gonna understand. But you know, son, I also stopped in a lot less. This discount store where I buy my press-on nails and stuff, and got me some press-on nails and toenails, and I'm gonna show you guys when I get in the house. In the supermarket with hubby now. Say hi, husband.
Listen.
I'm not a fan of yellow yam. It's too tough for me. But them, I don't know what they call. They taste good. Yeah, the sweet potato is busting. Let me tell you something. Supermarket with him, he don't look at no pricing. That's how you know he up. Me, if I'm up or down, I'm still looking at the price. So just getting back from getting my eyebrows done. I like them. She did a pretty good job. I can't complain. So I did tell y'all that I had something to tell y'all. So now I don't know what, religion anybody is, or faith, or what your belief system is, but for me, God is real, right? And so is energy, so is aura, so is the energy of an atmosphere, what people got going on, and how you can just feel people, and kind of discern what's going on in people's lives and stuff like that. And if you can't see it, then you can feel it, if you are spiritually open in that kind of way. So I just wanted to say that. But so I went to go get my eyebrows done at this new place, not too far from my house. And majority of the people that do threading eyebrows are Indian. And so I went to this new place. The lady's name is Keita, I believe. Keita, she said. She seemed nice. When I walked in, it was very warm, as if maybe the AC wasn't on or whatever. And so I already was like, oh God, I'm hot. I need air. Let me tell y'all something about me real quick. When I'm getting a service done, I don't care how fast the service is going to take, how long it's going to take. What matters to me is my comfortability. That means create an environment that's comfortable enough for me to be able to sit, relax, and be serviced. And that's what I like. For me, I can't speak for everybody else. So I was already not agitated, but I was already like, oh God. Now I'm hoping that it's going to be quick because it's hot. So I sit down and she starts doing my eyebrows. So I let her know. I'm like, can you make sure that you give me an arch? So she's like, oh, well, I'll see what I could do because your eyebrows are already shaped round. Now that's the natural state of my eyebrows, and I'm aware of that. But when I ask them to give me an arch, that means that I'm asking you to design one, create one. So she's like, I'll see what I could do. Now, one, I already didn't like that answer because I feel like you supposed to make me believe, like, don't worry, I got you. Like, this is your profession. This is what you do. Right? So I'm like, oh, okay, no problem. I'm not a person who gives people and businesses a hard time. Let you do your thing, right? So as she starts doing my eyebrows, I start getting a feeling of like, feeling overwhelmed. When I walked in, I was fine, besides me just being hot. So I start feeling overwhelmed. I start feeling sad. I started feeling intense sadness. Let me say that. My eyes started watering and I got that feeling. Everybody knows that feeling when you're about to cry or you want to cry or you need to cry. And to myself, I'm like, God, what is this? Like, what is going on here? And I started like feeling like I was about to start hyperventilating also. So I'm like, you know what? Maybe it's a little anxiety or something. Let me try to breathe through it. So I was breathing through it. I felt like I wanted to pass out. And all that was coming to me was whatever she has going on is very intense. Whatever's happening in her life, whatever's unstable. I don't know her walk of life. I don't know what she goes through. I don't know what she's enduring. I don't know what her pain is, her sadness is. I don't know any of that. I just know that I could feel it. And it's like God telling me, like, it's not, what I'm feeling is not from me. It's from her. And I'm just like I just wanted to hurry up and be done with the service. And now, normally, when I go places, like I told you, I'm big on the space, the aura, the energy in a place. You know, if I feel something and I don't feel like it is spiritually safe for me to stay in a specific space or where I'm at, I will leave right away. My husband knows this. My mother knows this. Anybody that knows me knows this. I'm like, deuces. Like, listen, me and the devil, we don't play in the same yard. So I gotta go. Especially if I ain't wanted. If I ain't wanted here, no problem. I'm out. So I just was like, oh God, like I wanted to get up and just walk out, even though she wasn't even done with my eyebrows. But I was like, Shadi, you gonna push through, you know, ask God to cover me. And, you know, while I'm sitting here and getting this service done. So afterwards, I looked at my eyebrows. I'm like, oh, wow, I like them. I actually really do like them. Because the last person who did them jacked me up. So, yeah, I know I've been going through the struggle of looking for an eyebrow person. So once I left, like, I felt better. But I just was like, wow. Because I always say, like, sometimes God just gives you certain gifts that you don't even ask for. And everybody doesn't have discernment. Everybody is not spiritually open to understand when they're walking in a space and something is not right and, you know, can't pick up on that. People are just like walking around like, la-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da, you know, whatever. But for me, it's different. From I meet a person, and it does not mean that the person is a bad person. It does not mean that, you know, anything of that sort. But you have something going on that I can sense and that I can feel. And it's too much for me to stay around. So I remove myself. It's plain and simple. No hard feelings, no nothing. And yeah, so I wanted to mention that because that was a real moment. Like, I haven't really had a moment like that in a little while. And it was really, really intense and really strong. And if you're awakened in that kind of way, then you know what I'm saying. If you know, you know. I went to the supermarket with my husband. He's going to make some fish today. So I'm going to be doing my nails. But I'm thinking if I want to make that a separate video. I think I'm going to make it a separate video. I'm going to do my nails and I'm going to do my toes. I already did my eyebrows. So I just want to let y'all know, because I told you guys that I am trying my hardest to become a minimalist. Like, less is more. That is my motto for this year and on. Less is more. And normally I spend, like, I would say maybe $40 on my feet. I stopped getting a manicure a long time ago because I was going through something with my nails. But normally, if I get tips and all of that stuff, basically, I probably would spend maybe like $120, maybe, nails and feet, right? Including eyebrow, you could say 130, right? I have cut that completely down once I got attached and addicted to press-on nails. So now I do press-on toenails, and now I do press-on nails, and I get my eyebrows done. So my eyebrows don't run me no more than $8. My toes, $3, the toenails. The press-ons for the fingers, $3. So that's what? That's $14. $14. And they come out nice. So yeah, I love that for me, because any way I can save $1, I want to save $1. So I love that for me. My husband probably loves it even more. So yeah, I'm about to go clean up a little bit, go do my dishes so husband can cook. I'm inside Royalty's room right now. Yeah, I know I gotta hide from her sometime. But yes. Oh, and also, when I was coming back home, there was I had got some bad news about a fire that happened, of which I knew, both families, and everybody's okay, but it's just a reminder to be grateful, because at the snap of a finger, your life can just change. And I think it sounds so cliche because people say it so much. At the snap of a finger, your whole life could go, twisted a whole nother way. But it's really true, because everybody went to bed peaceful last night. Nobody thought this morning they were going to get up and their whole apartment was going to be on fire. Nobody thought that, So just be grateful, be thankful. God is good. And yeah, so I just wanted to say that, because I can't even imagine at all going through any type of yeah, I can't imagine. But everybody is safe and everybody is okay, and that's what really, really matters. You can replace material things. You can replace a couch. You can replace clothes. You can replace the iPads. You can replace all electronics. You can replace shoes. You can replace everything. Everything, everything. You can't replace life. You can't replace life. So, yeah, God is good. And I'm thankful and I'm grateful. So, that part. Husband just finished cooking. We got some sweet potato, banana. What do you call what you like, babe? Yeah. And yam. And this is the fish with some okra, onions, scallion, thyme. Yeah, garlic. Yes. So your girl is about to chow down. Chow down. I don't like yam. I prefer banana, because the yam is a little tough for me. If you know, you know. Get all of this. Woo. You gotta wait, Gary. My husband said this is the food that strong you up. I don't need to be no stronger than what I already am. Yeah, I'm about to try and lose 20 pounds by September 25th. And you know who's helping me? Chat GPT. Oh, shit. True word. That's what they say, right? Chat GPT. Okay. This is so good. Normally he would put dumpling, but he didn't put dumpling this time because I don't know why. Let me tell y'all why my husband could be so annoying, right? Because he will listen to something over and over. You know how you swipe? It's like, I don't know, he's processing slow. Over and over and over and over. Royalty should not be hungry right now. That girl eat right through the day. But I mean, she was like eating like, she was eating like fruit and stuff like that. Ooh. Okay, my husband are gonna sit here and enjoy our dinner. I will get back to y'all. I'm gonna go to bed now. That food was bussin'. It was so good. My husband, he is such a good cook. But I what did I want to say? Oh. Yeah, I'm tired. It wasn't a long day, but it feels like it a little bit. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. I love you.